10 steps to a strong financial foundation, part 1. These are the 10 things that you need to get your finances together in 2023. Make sure to follow along over the next 10 days. I'm going to be walking through one step per day. Today we are talking about a checking account and a checking fund in your checking account. Now obviously your checking account is going to be the account that's connected to your debit card and most likely your direct deposit from work. The bank or credit union that you decide to have your checking account with is not super important. It doesn't necessarily have to be the bank that you choose to have your high yield savings account with. But I choose to have my checking account with Capital One because my high yield savings account is with Capital One. I'm fine with this because I never need to go into a physical bank branch to do any banking, but if you do, maybe you would choose a local bank as opposed to a virtual bank. I also chose to do it this way because I like that within one app I can see my credit card, my checking account, and my savings accounts. But if you're the type of person that seeing your savings account in the app every single day will make you want to pull money from your savings account, then maybe it would be better if you had your checking and your savings at separate banks. Just depends on your habits and your personal preference. But like I said at the beginning, I like to keep a 1-month checking fund inside my checking account. What is a checking fund? I just like to keep 1 month's worth of expenses within my checking account so that I make sure that all of my auto payments and my auto transfers don't bounce. We'll learn in step like 5 or 6 how and why we should be setting up auto transfers and auto payments, but having this checking fund really just gives me peace of mind that I can do that without it bouncing. Make sure to follow along for step 2 tomorrow.